I'm going to say this in a martial arts school way, but this applies to everybody. Let's say the technology gets better, all right? And it's going to get better. Let's say it's totally seamless. It's still not going to, the hardest thing for anybody at a martial arts school to do, if you're going to sign up, the most important piece of that sale is them walking through the door. Because most people go on the website, then they call, then they think about walking through the door. A lot of them chicken out in the parking lot, right? And they drive home, okay? And they walk through the door. The reason why I'm telling you guys this is all of us have a moment in our sale, whether it's a mortgage, whether it's designing a home, whether it's a SaaS-based software product to help them onboard new products into the warehouse. There's a critical moment where that trust is now like, I feel enough trust where I'm going to hand it over. And for Derek with martial arts, a lot of times it's if I talk to somebody on the phone and then I walk through the door and God willing, that person I talk to on the phone is in the front desk or teaching a class, and it's like, oh, that's the person that was like, dude, don't worry. Nobody is going to be punching you in the face until long after, way down, and you have to be ready for it at that time. That's a totally, now all of a sudden I'm like, okay, that's the person that I opened up to. And I'm willing to open up to them a lot more. Like, we're so quick in our society right now to be like, we have an AI chatbot or this AI thing that can answer. You can preload all of the answers to the basic questions, and it will do all that work for you. Imagine if you were single and you wanted to get married and you used AI to preload, I love dogs, I'm allergic to this, this went on in my childhood. That's the good stuff. Like a lot of times it's those little questions that you could load into AI and the bot, your website could answer. That's where the relationship is founded, right? When you say you're concerned about this, can you give me a specific example? When you say your vision is X, Y, Z, or A, B, C, walk me through that. What's your biggest reason for blank? Just out of curiosity, what's your biggest reason for wanting to get into martial arts? What's your biggest reason for wanting to design this house? Right? AI is not going to help with that. And even if it does, AI is not going to be there when you have to take over. And so you're never going to have felt the warmth. You're never going to feel, just like a bot handing you a boyfriend or a girlfriend and being like, we've matched you guys perfectly. There's no feeling there. There's no warmth. So just be really careful about who you have do your job for you. Because sometimes the little things, the littlest of questions, right? How much is your blank? When you say, perfect, I can help you with that. Which blank were you looking to purchase? Right? Well, I'm not sure. I'll be honest, I'm not sure either. We've got 52 different iterations. If I could ask you a couple questions, I can give you an exact price on the one that best meets your needs. Just out of curiosity, what's your biggest reason for needing it? X, Y, Z, or ABC. That's where the relationship happens. So just be really careful. Like Chelsea's world. Can you imagine, okay, Chelsea's in recruiting. Can you imagine if AI replaced recruiters? I don't care. Fast forward 10 years into the future. I don't care. There's not the warmth there. That person's not going to be invested in that interview. That hiring manager is not going to be invested in that candidate. We need a human in there at some point. Otherwise, these people are going to ghost their jobs. They're going to lie. And it's like, then why are we even having a person in the first place? So we just got to be really, really careful, in my opinion, about how much of this stuff we allow to do our stuff for us, because it's those little things sometimes, the follow-up call, the email, it's those little things that's what it's all about. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm gonna cover all the costs for you. We're gonna get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.